What does Instagram not updating feed mean? When we talk about Instagram not updating feed, we're referring to a situation where Instagram doesn't refresh to show new posts. Instead, it continues to display old posts from your last session, or in some cases, it may even show a couldn't refresh feed error. There are a few ways this issue might manifest. As mentioned above, one of the most common symptoms is seeing the couldn't refresh feed error message. Alternatively, you may find that when you pull down to refresh your feed, the loading symbol appears but the content remains the same. In more severe cases, your feed might not load at all, leaving you with a blank screen. It's also worth noting that this issue is not limited to your main feed. It can also affect your Explore page, Activity page, and even prevent new direct messages from appearing. 3. Why does this happen? There can be several reasons why Instagram is not updating your feed. One of the most common causes is an unstable or weak internet connection. Instagram requires a good network connection to load new data, so if you're in a place with poor Wi-Fi or cellular data, you might experience this problem. Another possible cause is an outdated Instagram app. Like all apps, Instagram periodically releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. If you haven't updated your app in a while, it might be causing this issue. Other factors that can contribute to this problem include Instagram's servers being down, having the data saver feature turned on, or an issue with your iOS device itself. In the following section, we'll provide solutions for each of these potential causes to help you get your Instagram feed back to normal. Solutions to the Instagram not updating feed issue on iOS. Before we dive into the solutions, remember that not all solutions work for everyone. The issue could be caused by a variety of factors, and the solution that works for you will depend on what's causing the problem on your device. We recommend going through these solutions in the order presented, as they start with the most common and easiest fixes and gradually move towards more specific troubleshooting steps. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. One of the first things to check when you encounter issues with Instagram, or any other online app for that matter, not refreshing your feed is your internet connection. Instagram requires a stable connection to the internet to load and update content. If you are on Wi-Fi, try disconnecting and reconnecting to your network. You could also try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network if one is available, or switch to using cellular data, if your mobile plan allows it, to see if this resolves the issue. If you're already on cellular data, try toggling your data connection off and then on again. You can do this by going to the control center on your iOS device and tapping on the cellular data icon. If you're in an area with low signal, moving to a location with better signal can help. Alternatively, you can try switching to a Wi-Fi network. Remember, the goal is to ensure you have a stable and strong connection, as a weak or unstable connection could be the reason why Instagram is not updating your feed. Solution 2. Check if Instagram is down. In some cases, the problem isn't with your device or connection, but with Instagram itself. Like any online platform, Instagram can occasionally experience server issues that disrupt its services. When this happens, all users are affected, and features like refreshing your feed may become temporarily unavailable. To check if Instagram is currently experiencing server issues, you can visit Down Detector. It's a reliable online service that monitors the status of various digital platforms in real time, including Instagram. If you find that Instagram is down, your best course of action is to wait it out. These issues are usually resolved quickly by Instagram's technical team. Once the servers are back up and running, your feed should update as normal. Solution 3. Turn off Instagram's data saver. Another potential reason why your Instagram feed is not updating could be due to the data saver feature. This feature is designed to reduce the amount of mobile data Instagram uses when you're not connected to Wi-Fi, but it can sometimes interfere with refreshing your feed. Here's how you can turn off this feature. Open the Instagram app. Go to your profile and tap the menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Instagram feed not loading. head over to Data Usage and Media Quality. Make sure the Use Less Mobile Data option is toggled off. Solution 4. Update the Instagram app. It's possible that an outdated version of the Instagram app is causing the issue with your feed not updating. App developers regularly release updates to fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. If your Instagram app is not up to date, it may not function as expected. Follow these steps to check for updates. Open the App Store on your iOS device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Pending Updates section. If Instagram is listed there, that means an update is available. Tap on the Update button next to Instagram. If you have automatic updates enabled, your app should update automatically in the background when connected to Wi-Fi. However, it's always a good idea to manually check for updates periodically, especially when experiencing issues like this one. Once your Instagram app is updated, open it and check if your feed is now updating properly. Solution 5. Reinstall the Instagram app. If all else fails, it may be worth trying to uninstall and then reinstall the Instagram app. Sometimes, certain app files can become corrupted and cause issues with functionality. Reinstalling the app ensures that you have a fresh, error-free installation. Here's how you can do this on your iOS device. Find the Instagram app on your home screen. Press and hold the Instagram app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the menu. In the confirmation box that appears, select Delete App. This will uninstall Instagram from your device. Don't worry, this won't delete your Instagram account or any of your data. Once the app is uninstalled, head over to the App Store. Search for Instagram in the App Store, then tap Install to reinstall the app on your device. Once the app is reinstalled, log back into your Instagram account. Your feed should now be updating as normal. If the problem persists even after trying all the solutions above, it might be a more complex issue that requires assistance from Instagram support team. Experiencing issues with your Instagram feed not updating can be frustrating, especially when you're eager to catch up on the latest posts from your favorite accounts. However, it's a common issue that can usually be resolved with some simple troubleshooting steps. In this guide, we've walked through several potential solutions for this problem, from checking your internet connection and verifying Instagram server status, to adjusting your app settings and updating or reinstalling the app. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your Instagram feed back up and running smoothly.